course that we are here for, of course, is Python for Cisco Network Engineers. And we have combined it with the curriculum of DevNet Associate as well. So that's kind of combination course that we're going to have. But before we jump into the content and the actual course content that we're going to cover, I'd like to tell you about myself. That as the pastor said, my name is Abhijit. You can call me AB if you want, and I'm going to be the instructor for this training. Giving an introduction about myself, I've been in the industry for more than, or you can say approximately 10 years now. And I've been delivering corporate training since more than 8 or 9 years. My early experience has been in the domain of routing and switching, security, service provider, data centers, and all. And when Cisco came out with the new launch of certifications, I took up the DevNet Associate trainings, and I've been delivering automation trainings since more than 2.5 years now. So I've been one of the very first instructors for this automation stuff, and I was only one of the very few instructors which were there in the world. So yeah, in the early days as well, I even have delivered trainings to Cisco's official advisory council members who design the certifications and who actually creates the blueprints of CCIE exams. So I deliver trainings to them as well. And you can be confident about whatever we are going to cover in this training is going to be beneficial for you and your enterprise that you work with. So I belong to a state of Maharashtra, and I've been living in Delhi since more than 7 years now. My role at PyNet Labs is co-founder, and I do take care of all the technical stuff as well as consulting stuff.
If you enjoyed the content of the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.
That we deal in with a lot of our clients. And yeah, welcome to this exciting training that we're gonna have. To start with, before I introduce you, to make this session more interactive and to help me understand your requirements and your expectations from this training, we'll have a brief introductory session with all of you, where I'll ask everyone to please introduce yourself with your name, with your I would say location, where are you based off, your organization, your role in the organization, and the motive to join this particular training. This would help me to fulfill your expectations in a better way possible. So I'd ask everyone one by one. I'll take everyone's name. You guys can please introduce me yourself. So the very first guy that we have over here is, I think, Dharmesh. Please introduce yourself, Dharmesh.
Hi team, my name is Dharmesh Patel. I'm in Canada, Ontario. I work for City of Barrie as a technology analyst. And motive behind to learn this DevOps course is to understand how the automation is gonna help. I understand that automation is really gonna help, like to audit the devices, push configuration, but still I want to understand how that is possible, how we can do that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for your intro. Then we have Kiran Khadke with us. Kiran, please introduce yourself.
Is Kiran Khadke, and I'm based on Pune. So I have been working with Teleperformance as an assistant manager, where I was handling the NOC and SOC teams. So motive behind this class joined to understand about the Python and the terminology to to reduce my administrative work and the repeated jobs.
Great, perfect. Next we have Mohini with us. Mohini, please introduce yourself.
Hey, hi everyone. Hi Abhijit. My name is Mohini. I am based in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, India. Currently, I am working with HCL in Cisco project only since last 4 years. But for my personal growth and at a time like growth stuck in an organization, so to increase my knowledge and learning how automation actually works, so this attracts me very much. That is why I've enrolled in this session. Thank you so much.
Perfect. Thanks for your intro. Then we have Peeyush Agrahai. Please introduce yourself, Peeyush.
Hey, hi Abhijit and everyone. This is Peeyush Agrahai. I am located in Bangalore. I'm working as a senior product consultant in Juniper Network in professional services. So my motive for this course to understand the network automation because it is pretty much required in different project milestones. So which makes job easy, specifically in migration projects. In kind of some kind of configuration deployment. So that's why, and also moving further in SDN and SD-WAN kind of projects, this automation is pretty much required. That's why I joined this course. Thanks.
Great, thanks. Then we have Priyank Shekhar with us. Please introduce yourself, Priyank.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyank Shekhar. Right now I'm working at SITA as a network engineer, L2 network engineer. I joined this course to upskill myself and look for a better opportunity.
Great,
Thank you.
Then we have Saifuddin Sheikh. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Afternoon, everybody. So my name is Sheikh Saifuddin. I am born and brought up in Mumbai itself. I'm currently working in Altron right now for as a Cisco TAC engineer, and my role here is definitely network engineer, specialized in AAA ICE. So the motive here is to keep up with the technology pace definitely, and automation has become an more of an important part of the career right now. So that's how it is.
Then we have Gaurav Saxena with us. Gaurav, please introduce yourself.
Hi Abhijit. Hi everyone. Gaurav this side. I have been with. I'm having a 15 years of experience in networking domain, and I'm right now working in one of the service provider of the world. And my core technologies are working on routing, switching, cloud computing, and right now working on SD-WAN technologies like Versa and Viptela. So I'm keen to know about how the automation how we are bringing automation into the networks, because right now this is one of the major market trend, and one of the I would say the biggest change that we have seen in our tenure, that the right now we are moving from infrastructure to the coding part. So would like to learn coding. So yeah, that's my side.
Yeah, thank you, Gaurav. Then we have Sriram with us. Sriram, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Sriram. I have been working with Cisco as a third party payroll as a senior network engineer, and my motive is to learn automation because future is uh, all the projects are going on automation. So I need to learn automation and develop my skills so that I can sustain in my life.
Okay, thank you. Then we have, I think, Sujith with us. Sujith, please introduce yourself.
Hi Abhijit, I am Sujith. Actually, I'm from Tamil Nadu, India, and my organization is CanGo Networks. My role is I'm working as a senior network specialist. The motive for the course is like I've been doing this automation for nearly some 8 years using SNMP, SSH. What I do is I give the requirements to the development team, and they do the coding part and everything. But at sometimes what happens, I get difficult explaining them some of the commands or the flows. So I thought of why not we take it up and we do it by ourselves, and the workflow automation is going to be the future. So that's the motive I have.
Great, perfect. Thanks, Sujit. Then we have Sunny Sharma. Sunny, please introduce yourself.
Hi Abhijit, hi everyone. My name is Sunny Sharma. I'm from Himachal Pradesh. Currently, I am working with British Telecom in Gurgaon. I have 10 years experience in network and network security. Motive behind to join this course is every company is running behind the automation. So I want to update my skill and to uh, for financial growth and also these things. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. And lastly, we have Sreejil Thiruvangadan. I think Thiruvangadan. Yeah. Please
Yep.
introduce.
Call me. Yeah. Hi everyone. I'm Sreejil. I'm based in Singapore. I'm working for a German pharma company, Boehringer Ingelheim. My role is mainly in the product team of new and mainly into projects. And the motive is mainly to upskill myself, considering our upcoming projects related to SD-WAN and infrastructure restructuring. So that's the main motive for joining here.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And I think, yeah, those are all the candidates that we have on board.